Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Definitely not a tech. So guys, in this video we will talk about how to write on a picture on iPhone. So guys, what you have to do, you just have to open your gallery and select the picture in which you want to write anything. For example, I want to write anything on that picture. Just click on edit and click on a pen icon on the right top corner. Then click on a add icon and you can see that add text. By clicking that, you can see that a menu option will be appeared. Just add it here what you want to write. Then you can adjust it as well and you can change the color of your text as well. And you can change the size as well and make it bold or italic as well. After writing the text, just click on done so your image will be get saved. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.